Hi everyone, this is Lina. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share with all the people that you also think that it might find it interesting. Sublistar has continuously accepted our customers' opinions and feedbacks. Today, I'm going to introduce you our new launch, the DTF printer. We have made several improvements on several issues that our customers are concerned about.
As we all know, when the indoor temperature is lower than 15 degrees, the ink is easy to freeze and the fluidity is poor. In view of this problem, we have added an ink damper device with external heating function. The heating unit is installed on the outside of each ink damper. With this technology, the printer can work normally in the environment with large temperature difference. In the printing process, the heating function can ensure the good fluidity of the ink. One of the most troublesome problems should be that the ink blocks the nozzle. Once the ink blocks the nozzle and cleaning the nozzle is not useful, we have to replace a new print head. The print head can be said to be the most expensive part of the printer. It's huge cost. And white ink is mainly composed of glycerol and titanium dioxide. It is easy to precipitate when not in use. Therefore, we have added filters in white ink circulation system to promote the circulation of white ink and avoid white ink clogging. Our imported filter not only effectively intercepts large particles, gels, and other impurities, but also allows the required pigment dyes to pass through and remain in the ink. The imported filter has excellent impurity filtering ability and longer service life. The work table of the new generation DTF printer is equipped with heating devices in the front, middle, and rear directions, which can ensure that the printed pattern becomes dry instantly. The continuous ink supply system uses an external ink bottle and conduit to connect with the ink cartridge of the printer, so that the ink bottle can continuously supply ink to the ink cartridge. The biggest advantage of the continuous ink supply system is that it's very affordable. The price is much cheaper than the original ink. Secondly, the ink supply is large and is convenient to add ink. Generally, the capacity of one color is 100 milliliters, which is at least 5 times more than the original ink cartridge. Also add an automatic ink pressure system. Using an automatic ink pressure system instead of manual ink pressure adjustment, not only you can reduce the overall maintenance costs, but also you can save time through automatization. In terms of maintenance, we have added the automatic inline moisturizing system controlled by ink pump. When the printing machine is not used for a long time, we need to drop pure water on the ink belt to keep it moist. Now, in order to prevent ink from clogging the nozzle, the ink cap will eject some moisturizer every once in a while to keep the nozzle clean and moist. This is the automatic inline moistening system, which can keep the printer nozzle in the best working state, avoiding blocking the nozzle hole due to volatilization of the solvent and prolong the service life of the nozzle. Print head part, we have added the Nozzle Compensated function. The original Nozzle Compensated technology can solve the problem of missing printing. Through this technology, the printer can automatically monitor the printing process. If the lines are discontinuous and there are blank areas, the nozzle will spray again to fill out the missing areas to ensure the output of the perfect picture. This improves print head lifetime, print quality, and increases the reliability and uptime. Many printers in the market will break the needles when printing for 12 meters at most. This new function can print continuously for 100 meters. Our pinch roller is adjustable. According to the printing material, adjust the pattern support to adjust the pressure of the pressure roller to ensure smooth paper feeding and improve the effect, which can increase the friction force during paper feeding. It makes the process more stable and reliable, and avoid indentation and other phenomena during printing. It ensures high printing accuracy during printing and output. We added a knob on the left function box of the machine to adjust the speed of the white ink circulation and make it more humanized. The new model printer used new linear guide rail. This makes sure and stable operation and low noise. The use of ball cages eliminates friction between steel balls and improves grease retention, thus achieving low noise, high speed, long service life, and long-term operation without maintenance.
Okay, what is surprising about this new product is that only one computer can control multiple machines. A high-resolution pixel camera can capture nozzle conditions while printing. The mobile app that you can find on your phone will prompt synchronously. This will allow you to check the state of the printer whenever you want. This will also allow you to reduce the production process, improve the production in a very effective way, cut down the rate and the cost.
Now everyone, let's take a look at our powder shake machine.
Look, this is the smart PLC touch screen. Just touch the desired option to easily navigate through all the menus. It is easy to operate and the user-friendly nature also helps to save time. You can control the switch, temperature and other parameters of the power shake machine through PLC. This is powder box. Open the cover and pour in hot melt powder. We make the box into cone shaped. It not only saves DTF powder but also disperses the heat of the machine at work and extends the life of the motor. Turn on the switch of the powder shaking machine. The machine will automatically powder in, dry and fix the cold. This is vacuum suction conveyor belt. Vacuum absorption conveying platform absorbing the print material to ensure that the material does not bulge or run out.
The double drawers for DTF powder. Here we have the first drawer to collect the powder.
Inside this one, equip heating tube top and bottom. This part is like an oven, infrared drying, heating and fixing the color. It can better protect the printed color. Front and back suction system. One is between the DTF printer and the shake powder machine. This facilitates the pass-through of the printing film and makes it very easy to cut a section of the sample during the printing process. This part, you can see a drying device like several small fans to dry the printed film. The paper feed and take up with tension system allows you to complete production unattended for a simple and precise workflow from printing to loading and feeding through the roll-to-roll securely wound. This is a smoke purifying machine. You know, when DTF printer is working, it will produce lots of smoke. This device can purify the smoke. Our newest integrated purifier for the option to replace of exhaust pipe make the use of the machine more convenient. I suggest that you can install one for your powder shaker.
Okay everyone, this was all about our newest launch, the DTF printer. Now, if you are interested in our product, don't forget to write us an email at sales@sublistar.com or visit our website for more information. If you are interested in this video, if you find this product useful, don't forget to give us a like, please subscribe in our channel and share. Bye bye.